What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing great and welcome to Roman Percussion. My name is Will Roman. On this channel, I upload different rhythms as well as tips to help you as a percussionist. So if that interests you, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to leave a like on this video as it really helps out the channel. Today, guys, I'm going to show you how to play Salsa on Cajon. I'm going to be playing the Songo pattern. Let's get started. One, two, three, and... Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also leave a like on this video. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you guys next Friday. Peace.